Good morning, friends. Today I have come up with a new topic, which is a pecuniary jurisdiction of the courts. How to identify where you should file your civil suit. We are all aware of various types of jurisdictions like civil versus criminal jurisdiction, original versus appellate jurisdiction, territorial jurisdiction. But my whole focus in today's video is identify the courts based on their pecuniary jurisdictions. Before moving directly to the pecuniary jurisdictions, so let me take you a very brief view of how territorially Delhi is divided into different district courts and what is the hierarchy of the courts or based on the administrative powers of these specific courts. A brief look at this slide will indicate to you that we have firstly a Delhi High Court and secondly we have the different district courts. Approximately there are six and in fact seven district courts in Delhi, and around 11 districts of Delhi has been divided among these seven district courts. This explains a bit about the territorial jurisdiction in the Delhi at the district court level. So now let's see how the hierarchy of the Delhi High Court is defined. In Delhi High Court, we have on the top divisional benches where it could be two or more than two judges who preside over the bench and adjudicate the matters. Typically, appeal matters are being considered by the division benches. Below the division benches, we have single judge benches for various types of criminal matters and again single judge bench for handling various types of civil matter. Now, Delhi High Court has recently established an intellectual property division which especially will look into the intellectual property related matters. At the district court level, if we have a hierarchy, on the top we have the district judge. To support district judge at an equal or approximately equal level, we have additional district judges. Below the DJ or the ADJ, we have the senior civil judge, additional senior civil judges, and on the bottom of the pyramid we have the civil judge. So now where your case will be filed. So it all depends on the valuation of your suit. For example, if you are filing a case related to the trademark infringement and passing off, and you are seeking claims of damages worth, let's say, 1 CR, then basis on this slide, you have to file your case before the district judge or the additional district judge. What does that mean is that basis on the valuation of your suit, it will decide whether it will be filed before the High Court or it will be filed before the district court. Even in the district court, it will be considered whether it will go before the civil judge or a senior civil judge or a district judge or a additional district judge. If we speak about the threshold limits, if the valuation of your suit is beyond 2 crore rupees, then it has to be filed before the Delhi High Court. If the valuation of the suit is beyond 3 lakhs but up to 2 crore rupees, the case has to be filed before the district judge. Then the district judge may allocate the case to the additional district judges. But that case cannot be transferred to the civil judge or a senior civil judge. So in case your valuation is less than rupees 3 lakh, then the case can be assigned to a senior civil judge or the additional senior civil judge. It depends upon the allocation determined by the district judge of that particular district. And those of you who are interested to know the source of these threshold limits, they can refer to these two bulleted points which actually point out what were the various notification which decides the pecuniary limits of the district courts as well as the high courts. And merely valuation is not the only criteria to decide where you wish to file the case. It is also the subject matter. For example, the IPR matters has been classified as a commercial dispute. So they will be only filed either before the district judge or the additional district judge or before the high court, and then depending upon the valuation of the suit. I hope this video would add clarity to your thoughts on the pecuniary jurisdiction of the courts in Delhi. and I will keep up coming with the new videos on litigation practice in Delhi, especially in the IPR practice. Keep in touch and take care.